Good morning to you all, friends. I am Chandrakant Gupta along with my friend Amit Agarwal. We are full-time trader and trainer in the share market, having more than 10 years of experience in this field. I wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year ahead. May God keep you all very happy, healthy, and wealthy in your life. Friends, I am thankful for your precious time and the belief you have shown on us. I am assuring you that next 1 hour with us will be one of the most valuable and wonderful experience of your life. Friends, I welcome you all in our today's program. How to generate a decent regular income from the share market consistently. Friends, this is our flagship program under our new venture, salarytrade.com. And the motto of this is that we all have born right for our personal freedom, and it cannot be sacrificed in the doldrums of daily needs. Friends, the share market of any country is the reflection of economic potential and strength of that country. Friends, I and you all are from decent backgrounds and educated also. We all are the backbone of the economy of the country, as we all work hard in the jobs or the business wherever we are, and we pay huge taxes. If you see, more than half of our salary goes in paying taxes only. And when we people wants to try or take our share from the economy or the share market, we came across with a lot of fear. Someone says, "Oh, it's very risky. It will take all of your money." Some other one says, "Actually, it is a casino." Or somebody says, "Oh, one can make money only in the long term." And also, I have seen some people who wanted to be very rich, very healthy, and very soon. And finally, I have seen in my last 10 years of experience that mostly people leave the share market thinking that the FDs are good and safe, there is no risk, or they prefer to invest in the gold or in the property, land, etc. Friends, I am not telling that this is all not okay, but mostly I have seen as a common man, as a common retailer, is deprived of the immense benefit of the share market. I am here, friends, to explain you all. Like any other field, share market has its own nature and rules, and it is very simple. Believe, friends, it is very simple to make a regular income from here. Friends, so I welcome you all in this wonderful journey. It's a beginning. And what motivates me for this? Friends, these are all the things which you might have came across many times in your life, but it has got a lot of value. Like I know very well that if I do not work for me, I do not complete my dreams, then I have to work for someone else to fulfill his dreams. Also, friends, I know that if I have to enjoy the ride, I have to learn driving and I have to take risk. If I don't take risk, I will never able to learn driving and I will never able to drive. Friends, the only permanent thing in the world is change. Anything which has become static is dead. Till we are breathing, we are changing ourselves, we are improving. The moment we stop breathing, we become static, we are dead. Similar is the condition of the FDs. FDs are losing interest day by day because that has become permanent, that has become fixed. There is no risk. So it has got continuously losing its value. And after all, friends, I know that success is depends on me only. If I want to try, if I want to do, nobody can stop me for being successful. Well, friends, many people ask me, is share market risky? Yes, friends, it's risky. I must tell you, it's risky only if you don't know. Like electricity, if you don't know, it can give you shock, it's dangerous. But if you know and utilize it, apply it properly, then it can fill your life with light. It can make your life so comfortable. We cannot think of our lives without electricity, and it has got immense future scope and dimensions like nuclear energy and solar energy. Yes, friends, it's risky if you don't know, just like driving. If you don't know how to drive, then yes, it is dangerous. You can meet with an accident. But if you know the driving, then you can have a wonderful life, a wonderful journey with your family. You can enjoy your life a lot only if you know how to drive. And it has got also the future dimensions if you understand it, you apply it, you use it, then you can travel by air, you can have fast moving trains and all you know. Similarly, it is like share market. If you don't know, if you believe on the tips from somebody, not knowing anything, and if you go with the media, you hear what the people says, and you don't know and don't use your own general sense and mind, then yes, it's risky. It can shock you. But friends, believe me, if you know the share market, then it is really give you a lot of money and can make you wealthy. And it has got immense beneficial future dimensions like future and option strategies, IPO, and commodity training. So, friends, by knowing, you can rule in your own terms. If you know, then the most risky things become your most reliable and loyal servant. And similar is with the share market. So, friends, the most important question is how to know, and there are two ways only. First, one can know by developing himself, by doing self studies, by doing trainings, and having the experience in the field. And this all needs a lot of passionate efforts for longer time. The second way is that one can have a professional service from the experienced people where they can provide you the basic know-how, they can give you timely and genuine support, and they can provide needful feedbacks and backups. In this process, one can have faster results in short time due to strategic approach. Friends, in this webinar, we have added both above in the agenda. Well, friends, this is the agenda of today's webinar. We will be starting from the most basic level of the share markets, its concepts, potential and scope, and we will take you to the advanced level of investment methodology and money control and risk control. We will also show you the supports and services available with us, and we will end up with the answers of your questions. So friends, what is a share? What is a equity? Friends, I would like to explain it that these are the companies, and these companies needs funds for their growth and expansion, and for that they have two ways. They can have loan from the financial institutions or the banks, etc. But from there, if when they take loan, then they have the liability of loan repayment with interest, and there are many controls and obligations are being levied by the financiers. The second way is the fundraising from public through stock market, and here all the funds which has been raised from the public, has got no financial responsibility with the company, but the company is responsible for the trust of the stakeholders. How we trade and where we trade. Friends, for doing trading, buying and selling of the stocks, one must have the demat account. This is all business is being done through stock markets situated in Bombay and in Delhi. Delhi is called NSE, Delhi Stock Market. Friends, here in my all further webinar, I will explain to buy and sell only from NSE because it has a better volumes, better liquidity over here. And this is all business is very safe and controlled by the regulatory body, that is Securities and Exchange Board of India. It is just like RBI, which controls all the banks of our country. Well, friends, what is Nifty 50? Nifty 50 is a benchmark of largest 50 companies listed on the stock exchange, and these 50 companies are comprising of many sectors like media, pharma, banks, consumer durables, oil and gas, etc. Friends, here I would like to tell you the key to success is keep on investing in the growing stocks and profit booking in already growed sectors on regular basis. This is must for making money, and here the common man does mistakes. For example, if you see the present situation, then the private banks, the pharma, the IT have already growed well. It is time to book profit over there, have lesser investment over there, and the underperforming sectors like public sector banks, like realty sector, like media sector. These sectors are underperforming right now, so we should keep on shifting the money from already growed sectors to the sectors which are likely to grow in coming times. Well, friends, these are the product of the Nifty. Basically, there are three products: equities and future and option contracts. If you see equities, these are good for long term and short term investment, and they are having predictive moves, and they are less volatile. It has got very mild risk and basic know how and basic experience. If you have, then you can work upon it. Second is the future. It has got monthly expiry. Its moves are calculative, but it has far more volatility than the equities, and it is risky, friends. I tell you, it's risky, and depth understanding and a good experience is required to work upon. As a salary trade approach, we invest 85% with risk mitigation plan in the equities, and 15% we invest only in future intraday with very good favorable risk reward plans. Third is the option contract. These are very risky. It can be zero, it can be 5 times in a shorter duration. So this we have not added in the agenda of today's webinar. Friends, would like to explain you now the potential and scope in the share market. Basically, this is a comparative analysis of different asset class available in the market. If we see on the parameters of risk and reward, then the government bonds and FTs are the most safe and can give you the returns are 6 to 7%. If we go for the mutual funds, yes, it has got little bit more risk and can give you returns of 10 to 12%. If you go for the large cap, I mean where there are the big companies like Reliance, HDFC Bank, etc., it has got low risk and it can give you average returns in trading around 30% in a year. If we see the mid cap and small cap, here good companies are there, and like Sun TV, Bata India, Avanti Feeds and Bajaj Electricals are some mid-cap and small cap. It has got medium to high risk and it can give you average returns 40%, more than 40% if you invest in a proper way. So as a planned and informed investor in the share market, if you compare from the FDs to the average returns, you can have 5 to 6 times more returns. So such is the scope of the share market. Friends, now I would like to move on with you all to our approach to generate regular income from the share market. Friends, this calculation, this paper we have made on the basis of the investment plan of rupees 10 lakh. These 10 lakhs are not invested all the times, but we have to keep it aside for the share market so that whenever any opportunity comes, we can invest as per plan. Friends, our suggestion, never ever invest in the share market with the borrowed money, or never ever invest in the share market without fixed plan. So if we invest rupees 10 lakhs, then 90% we invest in the equity and 10% we invest in the gold. Why we invest in the gold? Because if you see, share market moves and gold prices are inversely proportional. Means whenever the market is at very high level, gold prices are down like today. And whenever the share market is down, gold prices are very high, which we have witnessed in recent 6 months. If we see the equity, then 50% we invest in the large cap, and from where we can have 15 to 20% average returns on half yearly basis by doing buying and selling or trading in the large cap. 30% we invest in the mid cap and small cap, and from there also we can have average 20 to 30% returns on half yearly basis. 20% we keep for the futures intraday trades, and from there easily minimum we can have 5% returns on monthly basis. The gold which we invest on 10%, we keep it for the long term for around 3 years, and studies if you see, you can find that gold gives around 18% average returns per year if we keep it for 3 to 4 years on longer duration. So if we calculate this all, then we can have average monthly returns of 30 to 40,000 per month in this investment. Friends, if we compare the similar investment if we do in government FDs and bonds, then we can have average returns of 6,000 per month. So friends, you can see that we can have consistent higher returns, 5 to 6 times more returns through strategic approach for regular salary from the share market. All these, how we generate, how we get, what are the plans and what we do, these all things we will be explaining in coming slides. Friends, this slide explains about the investment modes. There are 4 investment modes: long term, mid term, short term and intraday. If we see long term, then we have to keep invested for 3 to 10 years. This can give you safe returns from the good stocks and the risk is very low. The cons of this long term is that money block for longer time and there is no compounding benefit. Means if you invest at lower level and you take profit at higher level on the long run. In the medium term, we have to invest 5 to 8 months in the large cap, and in the short term, in the mid cap and small cap, we have to invest for 3 to 5 months. From mid-term to short-term investment, we can have safe returns from good stock. It can give us regular income. High money rotation, as I said, we invest only 5 to 8 months and then we again rotate the investment. So by doing rotation, higher compounding benefit one gets. Low to medium risk, but knowledge is required for the stock selection for such good returns. If we want to understand that what is the difference between compounding and non-compounding benefit, that then if you see, if you invest 1 lakh rupees for long term with the very good stock, in 10 years it can give you 5-fold returns. But if you do trading and keep on rotating your investment, then in 10 years you can have 14 lakh rupees of your 1 lakhs. So the trading can give you far more better returns than long-term investment. I am not telling that long-term investments are not good. These are good. But for regular income, we suggest rotation of your money in the good stocks at specific times and opportunities. So in our webinar, we are not including long term. For long term, you can choose yourself any good stock when it comes to the lower level or there is some downside in the share market. You can choose any good stock like HDFC Bank or Reliance or any good stock of Tata for longer terms and you can have good returns in 3 to 10 years. In our strategy, we have taken mid-term to short-term and also we have taken the intraday where we close the trade within the day. The benefit of that, there is no blockage of the money. Money is there in my account at the end of the day and we can have regular income with good risk reward. But friends, this intraday is highly risky, high knowledge and a very good experience is required. This all we will explain in our coming slides. So friends, choose your investment modes as per your psychology and mindset, risk appetite and experience. Friends, now I would like to take you all to the most important aspect of our strategy, that is the money management and risk control. As per our plan, we invest in the 10 stocks of the large cap and we invest primarily 70% in any stock at good opportunity level and we wait if there is any further opportunity comes in the same stock. If any fall happens due to market conditions, then we further invest 30% in the large cap. If we see for the mid cap and small cap, they are more volatile and more risky. So here the risk control plan is further stronger. Initially we invest only 30% in one particular stock and if we further get opportunities then we invest further 30% in the same stock so that we have a very good price of the stock. We still left with some money which we use for future intraday trades on daily basis. So friends, believe me, by following this very simple money management, you can have balanced risk control and regular returns and will always have surplus funds with you as per your plan for any market opportunity. Friends, now I will explain our investment methodology in large cap, mid cap and small cap and intraday trades. Friends, now I will explain the most crucial thing, that is the stock selection. It is most crucial for making good profits. We must know what to buy, when to buy exactly, and how much time we should hold and book profits. That I will all explain in coming slides. So friends, let's begin to find a good stock at good price level. And for that there are 40 candlestick patterns. There are many indicators, 10 are I have written, and there are many more, and there are many patterns. Friends, if we study all, I have done it, then while going to apply practically, it becomes confusing and very complex. The thing should be simple so that when we are going to apply, we can apply in a proper way. So friends, no need to learn all. We need to master few, one or two things. We will be also using one or two indicators like moving average and RSI, and two, three patterns like double top, double bottom. That will be enough to find a good stock. Well friends, here is our three rule trade philosophy. Rule number one, that it should be simple. Rule number two, that it should be very simple. Rule number three, that it should be very simple so that even a 10th class student can apply. So friends, please understand the three important constituents of a stock. Number one is operator, number two is demand, number three is supply. And it is the operator who creates demand for buy. And when common public and retail investors pull in, then he do supply for profit booking. This is a normal phenomena of a stock in the share market. Friends, now I am going to explain one of our very powerful and simple technique of value buying in large cap, where 25 to 30% returns are assured. This technique is very simple and you can do it yourself. So as a step 1 in value buying, first you have to make the best companies list. I have already explained there are many sectors in the share market like banking, FMCG, auto, pharma, consumer goods. You yourself have to make your own list of the best companies which you already know. Like if you want to go for banking, you can take HDFC, ICICI, Axis Bank. Like that, if you want to go for auto stock, then you go for Maruti, Hero Motor Corporation, or Tata Motors. In consumer goods, there are Bajaj Finance, HDFC AMC, and SBI Life. These are the best companies we all know. Like that, you can make your own list. Friends, I strongly recommend never go for company 3. For all the sectors, you should have only two companies which are very famous, great and best companies, all known by you. Never go for the third one, because if we already have two best companies, what is the need of going to the third one? Just make a list of all the sector's two best companies. Friends, as a step 2 in value buying, just know these two simple indicators. First is the RSI, which is Relative Strength Index. This tells us when it is below 30 or around 30, then it is oversold zone. And whenever it is above 75 to 80, it means it is at overbought zone. Another indicator is 200 days moving average. It is simple average of the closing price of 200 days. Whenever the price comes near to this or just below this, we need to buy the stock. These are the two simple indicators can be applied on your charts on any system, any trading terminal you are using. Friends, now the final step of value buying. The buy condition is RSI should be below 30 and stock must be trading below 200 MA. When both these conditions are met, in any of your stock, in your list, just buy. Just buy. And always book profit in 15 to 20% return and keep rotating your investment. As you can see, this is the line graph of Maruti, and in the last 2 years it has given not one, not two, but six wonderful opportunities to enter and exit. If you see in the opportunity number 2, you have bought the stock at 6,400 level, but if you could not book profit at 13% of returns and you thought you were looking for 20% and it goes down, no problem. Because remember, in our money management slide we had said invest 70% initially. So when if a stock comes down, you invest further more of your 30%, and you can see after some months it has given fabulous 25% returns. So friends, as you can see that Maruti has given six wonderful opportunities for trading in last 2 years. And if I leave the opportunity number 5, which was of during Corona crash time, then you have at least 5 wonderful opportunities, and as a trader you can make 70% of the profit. Whereas if you see the long termer who might have bought somewhere here in 2 years back, then still he is waiting for profits. And as a trader, you have already made 70% profit. So this is the beauty of this simple technique that you can use for making regular profits. Friends, this is another example of same powerful and simple technique. Please remember the buy rule, the buy condition, that RSI should be less than 30 and stock must be trading below 200-day moving average. This is the line graph of ICICI Bank, and you can see in last 2 years it has given 4 fabulous opportunities where one can have wonderful profits of more than 15 to 20%. Friends, here you can clearly see that as a long-termer who might have invested 2 years back have only 35 returns now, whereas as a trader one can make fabulous 150% profits, whereas I have not added the opportunity of opportunity number 3, which is at the time of Corona crash time, and that time everybody was so fearful. You might have lose this opportunity, no problem. Apart from that, there were 3 wonderful opportunities. The recent one is just in October, where from now one is having 44% returns. So as I already explained that as a trader you can make regular profits consistently. However, in long term investment one have safer returns, but returns becomes very limited and you cannot have the benefit of compounding. Friends, now I am going to explain our mid cap and small cap stock selection strategy. Basically, it's an opportunity buying. But here I would like to tell you that either you have to learn this process thoroughly or you have to seek professional support for choosing mid cap and small cap stocks because they give high returns, 30 to 40% returns potential they are having, but they are risky and needs proper study for stock selection. Friends, here is the 6-step process which we use to finalize the stock for investment from mid cap and small cap category. First of all, we look and analyze the sectors and find the sector having high potential to grow as of now because the sectoral growth is keep on rotating. So we have to see that as of now which sector is going to grow. Then we see in that growing sector which is the company which is having potential to grow along with the sector. Then we check the fundamentals, the financial situation of that company. We check its balance sheet thoroughly. And then as a step 4, we check the graph of that particular stock and we see which pattern is there and after which it is going to grow. We check the risk reward and when we find all above are okay, then we invest as per the money management already explained to you earlier. So decision of buying mid cap and small cap by 6-step combined check with the calculative weightage is the deciding factor to invest in the stock. Friends, all these 6 steps cannot be explained in this webinar due to time constraint. In this webinar, I will cover step number 4, that is technical analysis for upmove potential. Friends, these are some of the chart pattern which are the part of the technical analysis we use to ensure that a stock is in upmove. Example, cup pattern, rounding pattern where we see that a stock makes a complete round and then it starts its upward journey. Another example is of double bottom pattern where a stock makes two bottoms and when two bottoms made completely and a stock makes up move, then after crossing its baseline it starts its upward journey. So friends, these are some of the charts which we use. I would like to give some examples of these chart patterns. Friends, this is the chart pattern of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. This is basically candle chart of the stock. What are the candles? Don't worry for that now because in coming slides I will explain about the candles. If you can see in this chart that this stock has made a proper bottom and created a demand zone, and after that you can clearly see that as of now it has just completed its round bottom and it has broken the baseline. Now stock is well ready and poised for upward journey. So friends, this is the stock as of now. One can buy after seeking his professional help from his financial advisor, one can buy this stock for the targets of 48 rupees, which is almost 26% of the returns. Friends, this is another example of one of the chart pattern. This is the candlestick chart of the HDFC AMC stock, where the stock has made double bottom, first bottom and this second bottom, and after that the stock has crossed the baseline and now stock is ready for up move. One can buy this stock after consulting it from his financial advisor. I am just showing here for the training purpose that this stock has made double bottom and it can go and start its upward journey. Well friends, now I am going to explain about intraday in Nifty futures. I would like to state you clearly over here that it is very risky and it is only for well-trained experienced trader. It has growth potential of 10 to 15% per month. Friends, what are the Nifty futures? I would like to explain that it is a contract between buyer and seller on the movement of the Nifty. If we see that Nifty 50 futures lot size is 75, means you can buy one lot and that will have 70 bunch of 75, and Nifty 50 price as of now is around 1 million rupees, but you need not to have 1 million rupees in your trading account. You can have around 50,000 in your trading account and you can do intraday trading because you are not going to carry forward. So with 50,000 you can do trading within the day. The only important thing in the intraday trades are the risk reward ratio. Friends, I would like to tell you that as an example I have taken that if you have 1x risk, then you must have 2x reward probability and you will be profitable. For example, in a month if you have taken 10 trades, out of which 7 are successful and 3 are failed, still you will have profit of 11x. Even if you have taken 10 trades, 5 are successful, 5 are failed. Even then you are profitable because you have maintained the risk reward of 1:2. You will have profit even after failing 5 times, you will have profit of 5x. So friends, please understand, one need not to be expert or 100% times correct, but most important is to follow a strict risk reward in the trades to be profitable. Friends, these are two simple constituents of intraday trades, that is demand and supply. When the demand is confirmed, we take a buy call, and whenever the supply is confirmed, we take sell call to make profits in the intraday trades. Friends, know the indicators for the intraday trade. For understanding demand and supply, we use pivot support and resistance lines. These are the lines which can be plotted on the trading chart and these are available on any trading platform. Please understand that at support level demand creates and stock starts up move, and at the support level stock take resistance and its price goes down. Also understand friends that this is the demand zone means the prices will take support over here and will start up move, and it will take resistance from the resistance level and will come down. And after some time, when you see that the prices has crossed the resistance level, then it will go up and higher level of resistance will be the resistance now, because now it has crossed the earlier resistance, and now that resistance which has been crossed will act as a support line, and stock will take support there. So supports and resistance keep on changing as per the movement of the price. Friends would like to explain you about the candles. You need not to learn and understand so many candlestick patterns. Just know the basics of the candle and that will be enough. See, the prices are being plotted in a box that is called candle. If prices are going down, then it is from upper side of the box, it gives pressure, and for the buying, it gives pressure to the upward direction. If buyers are winner, then a green candle is formed. If sellers are winner, then a red candle is formed. So please remember the types of candle. If you find this type of green candles, then it is buyers or are controlling and bullish movement is expected and high demand can be created. If you find in the charts such type of red candles, this means sellers are controlling and the movement can be bearish and high supply can come. Also understand that above candle indication is meaningful near supply and demand zone. The formation of these candles are meaningful only and only when they are made on or near demand and supply zones. Friends, share market running timings are 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. As per the market running time, we have three techniques: morning techniques, mid-afternoon techniques, and late afternoon techniques. Total, we have 12 trade setups. Mostly market gives 2-3 high potential trades daily. I will be explaining one of our morning technique. Friends, here I will explain one of the morning trading technique. Please understand the trade setup and the process. If the first candle is bullish, then we check that this bullish candle is near which. If it is near support or demand zone, then it is a buy signal, and after confirmation we check the risk and reward, and if it is favorable we go for buy setup. Similarly, if the green candle is near resistance zone, means after this the price is supposed to go down, then this is a sell setup. We check the risk reward and after confirmation we trade, we take the trade. Now friends, I will explain some of the examples of morning trade technique. Number one, friends, this is the candle chart of 24th of November. Whenever we are going for the trade, we must mark our resistance and supply zone. You can see this line is a resistance or supply zone and this line is a support zone. Means we know very well that stock will take support at this line and stock will take resistance from this line which is supply zone. Friends, see here the very first candle is green and it is bullish, and also it is taking support at demand zone from demand line. It is a very strong setup and we can take a buy call from here. But don't jump into the trade immediately. First, we have to assess the risk reward which one can have in the trade. After checking the risk and reward, you very well can see that here the risk is of 750 rupees and reward is 3375 rupees. So risk to reward here is more than 4x. Hence we can enter the trade. After taking the trade, we have to immediately put our stop loss near risk mark, and then we have to wait patiently till either we get the stop loss or we get the target. We have to wait till price reaches to near resistance or supply zone. As soon as the reaches near to resistance or supply zone, we have to book our profit immediately. So friends, if we summarize this trade, then with the risk of 750 rupees, we have made profit of 3000 rupees within 1 hour. First 1 hour of the day. Friends, what is the success key? Success key is that always trade on high potential setups where risk to reward is more than 2 times. Friends, this is another example of our morning trade technique number 1. This is of dated 11th of December and 14th of December. On 11th of December, if we see, the first candle is bullish and also it is taking support from demand zone. We can take a buy call, but please wait. First, we have to check the risk reward. See friends, when we have checked the risk and reward, we have found it's not favorable. The reward is lesser than twice of the risk. So, friends, the setup is not favorable. Hence, no trade taken on 11th of December as risk reward is not favorable. Now, friends, see what happened on 14th of December. We have found the first candle is bullish, it is green in color and we can take a buy call. But immediately we have seen the second candle is bearish candle. After seeing the bearish candle, it is clear that the sell pressure can come. But friends, don't jump into the trade immediately. If the setup is bearish, please wait that it should break the support or demand zone. As soon as the support or demand zone is broken, then now we very well know that after breaking the support zone, now this support zone will act as a resistance zone. Means now price will resist here for going up. Hence the sell trade is confirmed. Still friends, just don't jump into the trade. Check for the risk reward, and when we have checked the risk reward, we have found that with the risk of 750 rupees there is a probability of reward of 4125 rupees. Now we can take this trade as the risk reward is very much favorable. Friends, after taking the trade, immediately put the stop loss above risk level and wait patiently for the target. As soon as the prices reaches near newly created demand zone, please book your profit. Friends, here if we see the trade summary, that Mayor with the risk of 750 rupees, 4000 rupees profit has been booked within 1 hour, 10 am to 11 am. So friends, it's a very simple but very powerful setup. One can learn it and apply it. Always remember the success key, that trade only on high potential trade where the reward is more than 2 of the risk. Well friends, this is all from our side. Now the final conclusion. We all have seen that trading is simple, very simple and very simple. But friends, but it's not easy. Friends, it's not easy if we don't know. By knowing, we can have regular profits from the share market, and we have a system to make you know about the share market that I am going to explain in the next slide. Friends, this is our proposal for self-development. You can develop yourself fastly through these trainings. We have a complete training system specially designed to simplify the share market for regular profits consistently. We have basic training for beginners and advanced training for level up. Example, in advanced training, we teach very precisely in a easy steps that how to select mid cap and small cap. We also train about the breakout patterns and breakout trades where you can make good money in a very short duration. Similarly, in advanced training of intraday futures, basically I train about my well-proven 12 patterns which keeps on happening on daily basis in the share market. In all those trainings, the most important is the trading psychology. We work and train step by step to develop a trading psychology which actually makes you profitable. So friends, this is the WhatsApp number on which you can register yourself for above trainings. Friends, this is all from our side. Your questions are most welcome. Even after this webinar, you can post your queries on our YouTube channel, or you can mail us at salarytrade.com@gmail.com.